Hello everyone, this is Hajirin Nisa, Associate Professor from Commerce and Management Department. My today's topic is Labor Cost Control, Part 4 from the subject Cost Accounting. We are going to learn today in this video the calculation of earnings under various methods. So let us understand the problem number 16. In this problem, the information is provided with regard to the hours worked by a worker, the actual work and the standard actual hours and the standard hours, and what is the unit produced. Here the information is provided with regard to the cost of the product and also the overheads to be calculated overheads on the wages calculated, that is earnings calculated. So let us understand first, before we proceed with solving the problem number 16, we need to first understand what is the missing information here in this problem. We need to find out the information which is missing. So in this problem, time saved is not given in the problem. Let us calculate first the time saved. So this can be calculated considering standard time which is given in the problem minus actual time. We get the time saved. So here standard time is 9 hours given minus actual time taken 6 hours, and the time saved is 3 hours. So next we will proceed with calculation of earnings under time rate system. So the formula is earnings equals hours worked into rate per hour. So hours worked is 6 hours into rate per hour 75 paisa. The earnings comes to rupees 4.5, 4 rupees 50 paisa. So earnings under piece rate system, since number of units produced is not given in the problem, therefore we will not be able to calculate earnings under piece rate system. So the next method for calculation of earnings is calculation of earnings under row 1's premium plan. So the formula under row 1's plan is earnings equals hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved by time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. So here hours worked is 6 into rate per hour 75 paisa plus time saved is 3 hours by time allowed is 9 hours into hours worked 6 hours into rate per hour 75 paisa. With this calculation, the earnings comes to rupees 6 under row 1's plan. The next method for calculation of earnings is Halsey bonus plan. So this under this method, earnings can be calculated by applying the formula earnings equals hours worked into rate per hour plus half into time saved into rate per hour. Here hours worked is 6 into rate per hour 0.75 plus half of time saved is 3 hours into rate per hour 75 paisa. So with this calculation, earnings comes to rupees 5.60, 5 rupees 60 paisa. So now the next calculation which is required in this problem is calculation of factory cost. Factory cost calculation can be done considering the material consumed given in the problem. It is rupees 4. Material consumed is rupees 4 that is shown under time rate system. Rupees 4 for material. Under Rowan's plan, rupees 4 for material. Under Halsey plan, 4 rupees for material consumed. And the direct expenses, that is wages, should be added to material consumed. So what is wages here? The earnings calculated under various method, that is shown as wages. So wages under time rate system is 4.5, under Rowan's plan is 6 rupees, under Halsey plan is 5.6. So the total of the direct expenses, that is direct material consumed and wages, here we get prime cost. Prime cost is the total of all direct expenses. So material consumed and wages under time rate system is 8.5. Under Rowan's plan, material consumed and wages, it is 10 rupees. Under Halsey plan, it is 9.6. So next we need to add indirect expenses, which is to be added, which is known as factory overheads. In the problem it is given, we have to take 150% of the wages. So what is the wage rate here? Wages is 4.5, which is calculated under various methods. So earnings under various methods, that we are considering here as wages. So wages, it is 4.5. Overheads, we are taking 150% of this wages. So 150% of 4.5 comes to 6 rupees 75 paisa. And then it is 150% of 6 rupees comes to 9 rupees. 150% of 5.6 comes to 8.44. So 150% of wages, that is 150% of earnings under various method, that should be considered as factory overheads. It should be added to prime cost for ascertaining what is the total factory cost. So the total factory cost under time rate system, it is 15 rupees 15.25. Under Rowan's plan, it is 19 rupees. Under Halsey plan, it is 18.04. So these are the various ways by which we calculated earnings of worker under various plan, that is time rate system, under Rowan's plan and under Halsey plan, and also we have shown the calculation of factory cost. I hope you understand this calculation shown here, and also the concept of labor cost control from the chapter cost accounting. Thank you so much for watching this video.